employment is not is only a part of the story. Once you save your jobs, you have to care about your working conditions. So one risk, for instance, is that of course we entail an increase in creative work, in artists, in care workers, in social assistants, but those are works that are more and more intermediated by digital platforms. And we know that actually the working conditions in digital platforms are not always in line with terms of employment defined by law, by collective bargaining. There are problems concerning with the use of technology to control workers and even to define their pay. And by using a platform to connect clients with workers, many of these platforms are pretending to be actually not an employer, but to intermediate self-employed with clients, and so pretend to use contracts which are not as protected as those of having an employment status. So the risk is that even in occupations where we will have a growth, there will be worsening working conditions. If digitalization is bringing about new risks and challenges, this means that we need new rights, possibly collective rights. And of course, this is on the top of other needs, which concern the adequate upskilling of the workforce to be able to use the new technology and to accompany digital innovation.
Where we have different challenges, how to digitalize our offer, and also gathering of all these materials that we want to reuse. We see also big opportunities in digitalization for creating new jobs. So not to make, as Feliciano before said, people redundant because of digitalization, but we see that there will be new opportunities for. We offer our platform for companies to play in, so they can test their solutions. So, for example, they have we just are working now with a waste company here in our environment. It's one of the biggest waste companies in Slovenia, the most technologically advanced. They don't see through gathering, collecting waste and just putting it into incineration or on the dump. So we help them now with a model that they could reuse the furniture which they collect here in the municipality. We again used a bit of digitalization here, that we transferred all the meetings, everything on the online. So it's again a tool for helping. And digitalization is quite important for all of these new business models.
Automation is not very big, it's not happening on a very big scale in Poland right now. It is, I've put this point here that it is not considered as an important factor of change on the labor market. So it is not, in fact, because it doesn't have very big scale right now. Mainly, it is still a subject of academic debate, or researchers do look on this phenomenon and see how does it work on Polish market. Robot density in Poland. In 2018, we had 42 robots per 10,000 employees. Europe's average was 106. And for example, Germany had at the same time 338 robots per 10,000 employees. So we're like really in the tail of Europe when it comes to robotization of production sector. This project and this research that we had to conduct also had to, let's say, touch the topic of trade unions, of collective bargaining, and it is really hard because this phenomenon doesn't happen in Poland. The phenomenon of three factors united, let's say, social economy, automation or robotization or this digitalization, and collective bargaining, they really don't happen in Poland as of now because of the social economy sector in Poland. How does it look like? Because they are really, as I said, small enterprises right now.
Our products are available in different variants and options.
it's personalized. So the solution here is to use an online product configurator, which allows the target customer to configure the product according to their preferences. This tool has allowed us to scale up sales by several 100%, and we saw a quick return on investment as the tool replaced the job, for example, of salesman and graphic designer, automated and shortened the customer service process and optimized the sales funnel. For example, in 2015, we started with business turnover around 300,000 PLN, but last year it reached almost 3 million, so it really works.